If you're a Google Drive user, you've probably run into this issue before. You can't just copy or duplicate shared folders. The only options are to add a shortcut or share access with someone else. The usual workaround is to download the entire folder, extract all the contents, and then re-upload them wherever you need. But let's be honest, that's way too time-consuming. Now, there's a much easier solution. Open a new tab and search for Google Workspace Marketplace. Open it, and in the search bar, look for Copy Folder in Google Drive. I'll also leave a link in the description. Click Install, hit Continue, select your Google Drive account, and click Continue again. Scroll down, allow permissions, and then click Done. Boom, it's installed. Go back to your Google Drive tab and refresh the browser. Select your file, and you'll see the application appear as Awesome Files. Just click on it. It immediately asks you to choose the folder you want to copy. In this example, I'll copy my Seedsman folder. Then it asks where you want the copied folder to go. Just select the location in your Google Drive, and that's where it will be duplicated. Finally, click Start Copying. Your folder will begin copying, so just wait for the process to complete. Once it's done, refresh your tab and you'll see your expected folder in My Drive. And that's it. If you're working with a large folder, you can check out my other video on how to copy big shared folders in Google Drive. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.